If you are a person that loves camping and you love the outdoors, then you have come to the right place. This is the Video Recon Adventure channel, and we are right smack dab in the middle of our Strawberry Bay Marina campsite tour. Right now, we're going to take you through Loop D, and we've already seen A through C. So if you've missed those videos, I recommend you going back and viewing them. We'll have links eventually in the description so that you can get to those. That way you can find the perfect campsite for you. This campsite is pretty cool. It's a big one. It still has all the restroom facilities and the pavilions and all the lake views, just like all the other sites. However, you notice it is a very popular loop and it fills up really fast. It's very hard to get a reservation here. So you got to book early and often to get there. Also, there are some places in this site that are really close together, a little less spread out than some of the other loops, which you should take into account when you're picking a site. But they also have wider driveways, and it looks like people put their boats and their bigger trailers in there, which is a really nice thing. And this one actually has 45 sites, just so you know, just like A. And it also, as you go through these loops, you notice that the shade in areas gets progressively bigger. There's more trees. This is where you say boys and their toys. And again, there's things to do here in the area. I think I might have mentioned the access over by the Soldier Creek Dam that takes you to the Strawberry River. It's a great spot for fly fishing. We've probably mentioned the ladders, and there's other campsites such as Renegade Bay. And we also have several dirt roads that you can take that are just breathtaking. Be careful on those, especially when it's muddy. They're not well maintained and they get like slick. We've actually managed to nearly get stuck on a couple of those little dirt roads, and that is not a fun place to be. So use caution when you're out back and you're driving off-road. But we love adventure. There's also a lot of people that come up here to scout for the hunting. It's a big hunting area if you like that. A lot of people come up for archery starting in August. Obviously follow the rules of where you can hunt. Now we're getting that beautiful lake view again. Gotta love it. And again, if you haven't seen loops A through C, double check them. If you haven't understood why this is an amazing place, I don't know how to help you. It's pretty incredible. And hopefully you're enjoying your time on this tour. Thank you for watching all the way through the video. If you like it, please hit that button. And also, if I've earned it, a subscription would be in order. It would help out the channel immensely. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.